Okay, so part 5 coming at you here. Basically, what I've done is I've ran npm install mysql, and that installed this node package here. And then I've created the new database in MySQL Workbench, and we just inserted into users the username, password, values. So now we have 3 test users in there. I'm going to keep going down. Now in app.js, you can add logic to query the users table in your MySQL database. So this is our updated app.js. And I'll probably have to restart it. Let's go back here. We're going to go back to app.js, which is here. Now we have that part updated so that we can actually query the database. However, did we get? Yeah, I didn't set the username password, so this is probably not going to work. How can I obfuscate that? Because I don't want you guys to know my root password. You know, maybe I can create an... I don't want to end this video. That's a thing. How can I reference another file in Node.js? Same as same file in Python using name dot, dot. You can, okay. So I can use require to load a module. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. .message. I'm gonna go back. We're gonna call this new file sensitiveinfo.js. And your constant. Don't show me. And then in app.js, I'm going to require. Where's the require? Then how do I make this reference? It's going to be my module dot password, right? dbpw. I think that'll work. Let me hide my screen here, put my password in. Just shooting from the hip here. And then we can go back through here. Okay, that doesn't work. Terminate. cd Node.js projects, cd, what the heck is the name? cd tutorial, and then node app.js running. This error message here, I don't know what that is. Maybe this guy knows. Different authentication protocol. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to go through users and privileges, so we'll just end this video here. I'll do that and we'll get back to you in the next one.